Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to make a very yummy and delicious beetroot rice. It is so simple and easy to make. Even the kids will love it. So let's see how to do it. Here I have taken around 1.5 cups of basmati rice. I have washed it nicely and then I am going to soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes in water. Now place a pressure cooker on the stove. Add around 3 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil is hot, you can add 1 teaspoon of jeera to it. Allow the jeera to splutter. After that, you can add the thinly sliced onions to the cooker. Saute the onions nicely until they change their color. Only then it will give a beautiful aroma. Once the onions are cooked, now you can add 2 green chilies to it. You can add even more green chilies if you prefer the beetroot rice to be more spicy. Take a mixer jar, add the roughly chopped beetroots to it. Then add 1-inch piece of ginger, some 5 to 6 garlic pods. Then add a small handful of pudina leaves. I have taken some cinnamon sticks, cardamom, cloves and star anise and a small bay leaf. Add everything to the mixer jar. Now we have to grind this to a smooth paste without adding water. And here it is. The beetroot paste for the rice is ready. It should be thick like this. We should not add water to it because the beetroot itself has water content in it. Once the onions are nicely cooked, now you can add the beetroot paste along with it. Now wash the mixer jar with a very little water and add it along with it. Mix everything together and cook until the raw smell of the beetroot goes off. So this rice is very simple and easy to make. Kids usually wanted to try something different. So instead of making the same beetroot sabji, we can try making this rice and impress them. Once the raw smell of the beetroot goes off, add the turmeric powder. Then add the chili powder. And then the coriander powder. Now mix everything together until you get the nice flavor of the masala and the beetroot. The paste should be thick without any water like this. Once it is done, now add the rice to the beetroot mixture. Mix it gently until the masala coats all the rice. Be careful not to break the rice. After this, you can add the water to the rice. Now add the salt according to your taste. After adding salt, give it a gentle mix. After that, cover it with the lid without using the whistle. Cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame. After approximately 6 minutes, the rice is half cooked. Now I am going to add the juice of a small lime to the rice and mix it gently without breaking the rice. You should be very careful. Once it is done, I am going to add around 1 teaspoon of ghee to the rice. and then cover it. Then cook it on a low flame using the whistle for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I could smell the beetroot rice. Look at this. It is so wonderful and amazing to see the rice. It has cooked perfectly. Now we can plate it. A simple cucumber raita is the best accomplishment for this beetroot rice. It is so delicious and yummy. Please do try this recipe at your home. Share your comments with me. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more recipes. Let's spread the love for food.